Hello everyone, so I've just walked into Dollar Tree and I'm spotting a whole bunch of fun new things here for Easter. We didn't have these emoji type poops last year, some of the melons, the gold eggs I do remember seeing. They also have some clamshells or mermaid shells. I've found those as well at another Dollar Tree. These are new this year. They're actually metal. Pretty good quality. Lots of gardening supplies are starting to make an appearance, and decorative things as well. Like all these picks are new. The pots. Actually really nice pots. These are really popular and sell fast because people start their indoor planting for the season. Some new office supplies. It has a gold trim. I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but they're clear with the little gold trim. And then they have these. Someone was asking what they're for. I believe they're for sticky notes or post-it notes. They just sit in the little square. There's some new things up top, but I don't want to attempt knocking it over. Some of you have been asking me if there's new books, and it looks like we got some new stuff here. Yep, novels. I'll go through the coloring books as well. Let's see if there's anything here. There's word searches and Sudoku. I love these. I wish the pages were a little bit thicker. They have a lot of popular characters like Blue's Clues. I don't think Cute Cactus is a TV show, but the coloring book is sweet. These types are nice white pages and they come with stickers. So if you're a kiddo or if you're into stickers. By the way, there's some really nice embellishment type stickers here today. Oh, look at these. And little hearts. There's bigger sheets though of the hearts. There are some really nice stickers back here too. They're like a 3D textured, but it's hard to get into them. So many pretty ones. These are beautiful for spring. The little boots. They have flowers, flamingos. I'm not sure what type of flowers these are. These pearl sheet stickers are great value here. They're like $10 to $20 at Michael's. These are great kits. There's a lot of fabric as well. So if you're into quilting, they have new ribbon and it's, I think, felt like fuzzy or velvety. It's hard to tell here, but these are all new. Or like the jelly roll type ribbon. I forget what they're called. There's lots of flannel, but there's also plushy material. There's cotton. So whatever you're needing. They have a variety of new prints as well for the spring line. I'm sure for the summer we'll get some more. These are beautiful, vibrant colors. If you're into quilting, I think that it's reasonably priced. Or even if you're just into making things with fabric, I think this is a great value to play around with. If you're making a spring wreath, these are great to tie things onto the wreath form. Glue gun pad. Is this blue new? I feel like they used to have a red one. Or maybe it was a blue the whole time. These are new as well. Little mini cutting boards. I'm not sure if anyone's done any DIYs with them. The little wood blocks are fantastic for making mini bunnies. I love how organized this Dollar Tree is. I love these wood pieces as well. You can make like a faux cookie if you do tier trays. Paint them and then add layers of texture. These are good too for organizing things in your craft space, like any of these loose bits and pieces that come in these little baggies. Here are some more stickers, lots of gems, which again, I just spotted these at Michael's So expensive there. So if you do need them for your paper crafting, highly recommend. I think these are newer. Beautiful flowers. Very similar again to the Michaels ones that I found. Yep, really pretty. I don't know what type of flowers these are. If anyone does, maybe they can speak up. Lots of different gems here. These bunny bums always sell so fast. So if you're making any type of DIYs and you need them, grab them. These are new this year, the little bunnies with the patterns on their ears. Lots of egg picks. They typically sell pretty well. The ribbon definitely goes because of Easter baskets. And baskets have been a really big, trendy thing lately. Beautiful ribbon here. I love this. Have you made any baskets? I know Christmas boo baskets, and then Halloween boo baskets. Christmas was the burr basket, I think. These are really nice. Happy to see the carrots back. They're wrapped in like a twine. I made my own a few years back because they just weren't available. They have little eggs. What do you use these wood eggs for? I wish they had the larger ones. These are new this year. I'm surprised they're not selling as quick. Lots of pastel light up trees. I wanted to share with you, they have a ton of confetti. If you are into making shaker pockets and those sorts of shaker type crafts, you will appreciate these types of kits. This is a really great value. I think I'm going to grab one for myself. They also have some cute St. Patrick's Day things here. This would be cute to take apart and use in your paper crafts. Sometimes it's hard to find nice embellishments. Some really nice pieces here for mini garden, fairy garden. Look at this timeless piece. I love it. So the disco ball is very trendy this year, and they're even used as ornaments and stuff during Christmas, but they were so pricey at Michael's or even any home goods store. By the way, Michael's also had jars just like this, but I think they were a little taller and a lot more expensive. But if you're looking for that look, it's almost like a Monet. They had an aisle that was filled with some really nice artwork. The succulents here are really pretty, and they're also very trendy this year, where people are putting them in a bowl with sand or making it look like a candle arrangement. And of course, your traditional wreaths are always kind of loaded with succulents. It's such a hit and miss to find the clear acrylic gems. Do your Dollar Trees typically have the clear ones? Check these out. These are succulent magnets. Quite a new variety here. I feel like we only used to see one or two. By the way, Dollar Tree brought back the vinyl for your cutting machines like the Cricut and the Silhouette. They have a lot of supplies here if you're into sewing or knitting, and some storage. They have the clear organizers up on the top shelf there. I think these shower cap prints are new. They're fun. Great if you're traveling and you need to keep something in your toiletry bag. Oh, has anyone tried this pumice stone? I use a pumice stone to clean my toilet, and I usually just buy them at Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I wish my husband wore print socks. He always wears black socks. Otherwise, I'd totally get these for him. AC/DC, Pink Floyd. I think that would be fun. It's in the toiletry area of Dollar Tree, so there's new deep fresh liquid soap. They have, I think we've seen these out for a little while, but they have some new products here. This would be cute. It's part of my daughter's birthday gift. She likes to have her bath, but I'm kind of worried always with bubble bath and stuff, so I think the confetti would be fun. This is new as well. They're like scrubs. If anyone has tried an interesting product in the toiletry area, let us know. This makeup case is actually pretty deep. It's just hard to show. It has a nice embossed print as well. This skin wash is actually nice. It's not typically carried at Dollar Tree. It's made by a different company. And their little pumps are great for acetone. Beautiful makeup brushes. Again, like so many nice little things, even for Mother's Day, to put together a package or just like a birthday package. And then I'm thinking, I'm not sure if I should grab some bath salts. I do like the confetti though. Yeah, I think I'll stick to the confetti. A whole bunch of lip stain. This is new to me. They have 2 colors here. I'm tempted to try it. This one too, if anyone's tried it, please let me know if it's like a nice smooth application. I tried the one that changes according to your lip color. This is a great little find too. Great for a gift, especially for a teenager. These are great. I'm gonna grab some Twizzlers. There are a few different kinds here, so I think I'm gonna grab them. They're nice and large. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today, and until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
Vitamins and history books, psychology and a different way to look at it all. 'Cause my perspective is broken. If suffering's a way to earn your keep, I better start putting miles on my feet. But I'm so tired of wandering. Yeah, I'm lost, but I'm living. Yeah.